Hello from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk to you about campaign 9. Guess what? Mother's Day is coming. And if you are so blessed to still have your mom, I hope that you start planning to have a great day for her and get her something wonderful. And Avon has in this catalog so many awesome things to share. And look at this gorgeous necklace I have on. About every kind of pearl imaginable is in it. And if you're not paying attention, even though it's big, you might miss it in the catalog because it just kind of shows it on. I kind of got lost in the mom-son thing. It's in the catalog. And we have these fun little earrings. They're like little hoops. Look at this. It just, is that cool or what? But these don't come with this necklace. The ones that I have on the display with the long pearl necklace are the ones that come with it. And these are the ones that come with this statement necklace I have on. And this one is just many layers, all one necklace of the pearls. And last time I showed you that white cardigan with this necklace on it, and I kept thinking about it, and I just fell in love with it. I just love the colors. I think it's just going to be so great on a white cardigan. And like I said last time, I guess I've never thought to just wear a cardigan by itself. So I think that's going to be a fun thing for spring. And also in pearls, we have this gorgeous bracelet. I didn't put it on so that I could bring it up closer so you can see it. It's just gorgeous. And it's in the same pages as that. Today I'm wearing a pearl bracelet that I earned from my sales with Avon. Every year when you make a certain level, we have like an awards banquet kind of thing, and we get different prizes, and one of them is always some kind of piece of jewelry, which I always really like. I love jewelry. As you can see, I'm always getting something new for jewelry. It's one of my downfalls. And notice this gift set. We have like 3 different gift sets in the catalog, and they come in the boxes. And that one is the original Skin So Soft one. And they see how pretty they are on the fronts too. So you could easily just give the box to your mom. And this one is the Lemon Blossom and Basil, and it has a shower gel lotion and body spray as well as a loofah pad. And each box gift set, it also comes in the Skin So Soft, Soft and Essential. They are $14. So that's a really good gift for your mom. And why not pamper your mom on Mother's Day if you have one still? There's many of us that have them in heaven. And we were very blessed to have had them as long as we had. Also, makeup. We have some cool bags. And they have all kinds of this is the makeup bag, and I've been using it for a while, so it's a little dusty. But we have all kinds of different pieces you can get to match it. And this one is $9.99. And spring is coming, so also we have our spring collection of hand creams. We have the Moisture Therapy, the Vita Moist, and the Vita Moist oil comes out in the little ones every so often, like a couple times a year, and the Silk and Glove. And they are at introductory prices for $1.50. They're going to go to $2. And I love this. It says, too young to have kids this age. And I always get that one. I love that. And so it's like, this is so perfect. And inside this bag, you get a Clearly C. It's our vitamin C serum that is purest form of vitamin C. You can get in a serum form. And the Ultimate Day Cream. 2 of my very favorite products, but they come in this little bag for $35 for all of it. And it's normally $68. So another great gift for your mom. And if you like to give her fragrances, the Pearl Noir now has shower gels and lotions. And you can get all 3 pieces, the shower gel, lotion, and the perfume for $30. So that's another fun little present. And candles. We have all kinds of candles. And I think we have like 6 different ones. And of course, the 3 wick ones. This is a watercolor blossom. And what that means, it is notes of green, mimosa, jasmine, musk, and shade. We also have a desert cactus, a passion flower, a Southern Magnolia, a Dahlia Blush, and the Cal Lily Breeze. And they're $9.99. But we also have these cool little, hi there, thanks for joining, these little diffusers. And they come with the scent already in them with all the you just take off the thing and insert the sticks. And they're $9.99. And that Dahlia Blush is one of them, and that's what I got this in. And they come in this cool little box. And I just think it's kind of a fun little box. We also, as you noticed on the front cover, we have a bunch of different shirts. And this one says Boss Lady. I just thought that was like so cool. So you might be seeing me wearing Boss Lady around. And they are like $14.99. There's all kinds of different ones to pick from. So yeah. And remember, we can always back order 2 brochures, but we also have the outlets and flyers. I'm sorry, I was looking at the screen instead of talking. And the ones we can back order are from campaigns 7 and 8. And one of the things that's really cool about Avon is we have so many incentives. And if you want, you can work for them. I mean, a lot of them are you do, you get. And one of them that I'm excited that I just got is the Aspira. If you haven't tried the Aspira, our health and wellness line, I really strongly suggest you try some of those products. I love them. But I got this cool gym bag, and it's a good size one, and it has a handle on it, and it says Aspira on it, and also this little notebook, and it has a little thing to keep it closed, and as well as the little, so you can track your page. But that I got as one of my incentives I earned. And remember, I was trying for the cruise. Well, I did not make it, but I earned some of the different things, and one of them was a rolling suitcase, and it's the one with the 4 wheels, so it makes it really easy. And super lightweight, as you know, so I can just barely pick it up, and so that's one of the things. And so I'm always working on some kind of incentive. And so if you would like to learn more about Boss Life, let me know. I would love to share it with you. And thanks for watching. Avon, it's been just a great thing for me. I've enjoyed being part of the Sisterhood of Avon, and I am going to be going to our national convention, so I'll learn more about some of the new things that are coming out, but that's not until the end of July, but I'm starting to think about it. And if anybody is wanting to learn more about Avon, I am having a meeting tonight at my house. So if you're interested, message me and I can give you directions on that. I'm going to start having them once a month. Avon has a thing that we could order some of, they do a start of a presentation and we can just add to it. And so I'm having that tonight. So thanks for watching. Faye Swinson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter for Avon. Have a great day.